Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Well, today we're going to be talking about the DJI Mini 3, what's going on, but most importantly, where in the world is it? Because supposedly it was supposed to be released back in November the 15th, but it looks like that release did not happen. In today's video we're going to be talking about what's going on, when can we expect to see it, and will it be actually coming out this year or not. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here and you want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI product, whether it is the Mini 3 or the Inspire 3. Guys, you already know this is the place to come for all of the latest updates and info. And also we're currently in the road to 10,000 subscribers, and right now we're less than 2,000 subscribers away from actually reaching that goal. So I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family. So without any much further ado, why don't we just go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be quite exciting. Well, I feel you guys, you are all waiting for the release of the Mini 3, and I am also very excited to see this brand new drone from DJI. But if you might remember, we made a video about a month and a half ago talking about a possible release date for the DJI Mini 3 that was given to us by our good friends Drone Excel. Now they are a very reliable source, and last year they were the first ones to share with us the release date of the Mini 2, which turned out to be true. Now about a month and a half ago they came out and they said that there was the possibilities that the Mini 3 could be coming out November the 15th. Now unfortunately that date has already happened and it looks like it was not true. So where is the Mini 3? Are we seeing it this year, or is it not going to be even happening this year or the next year? So go ahead and talk about it. So unfortunately it looks like the guys who are at Drone Excel were not right this time. It looks like with the Mavic 3 release date, the Action 2 and possible the Mini 3, it looks like they got things mixed up, and it looks like this release date turned out to be not true. I know guys, I was also hoping to see the Mini 3 this November, and it would have made a lot of sense, and that is because for the past two previous years we have seen the release of the Mini 1 and the Mini 2 year after year, but it looks like this year might not be happening, right? Well, so what are the possibilities of seeing this year? Will it happen or not? At this point in time, we still have no confirmation whatsoever on whether or not it will actually be released or not. But what I can tell you right now is that we have not seen any kind of leak so far, any FCC filings, photos, or anything. So right now, the possibilities of seeing it this year are quite slim, but we can never say never. The possibilities could still happen. They're still there, and DJI could maybe surprise us before the end of the year. Hopefully, let's keep our fingers crossed. And in case if we have any news or anything regarding the Mini 3, you're gonna be hearing it here first. So make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on those videos as soon as they go live. But that is what we have going on right now. Unfortunately, it looked like the Mini 3 did not release this past week. As much as we would have liked to see it, unfortunately it did not happen, but still let's keep our fingers crossed. And for anyone wondering, will it happen? Guys, there's no doubt the Mini 3 will be releasing, whether it is this year or the next year. I have no doubt DJI will be releasing a Mini 3, and that is because this is their most successful drone and the drone that they sell the most. So there's no doubt the Mini 3 is going to be coming. I'm sure they're working on it and it's going to be released pretty soon. So that is what we have so far. As soon as we have any updates, we're gonna be keeping you updated here in the channel. But that is what we have so far. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.